Introducing BLACK+DECKER's newest line of 20-volt max lithium-ion tools, Power Command, giving you additional control of your outdoor power equipment with the push of a button. The Easy Feed string trimmer allows you to easily and reliably feed trimmer line with the simple push of the Easy Feed button, putting control back into your hands without the hassle of bumping. With the integrated flip-to-edge feature, you'll be able to convert your trimmer into a wheeled edger that supports the weight of the trimmer for the perfect edge along sidewalks, walkways, or gardens. The new Power Cut hedge trimmer puts added cutting control in your hands with the Power Cut feature. Combined with a 3/4 inch cut capacity, the Power Cut feature allows you to power through a tough cut or jam with the push of a button. The new Power Boost sweeper gives you more blowing speed with the addition of Power Boost. Engaging the Power Boost feature delivers a surge in performance up to 130 miles per hour for loosening stubborn debris. Operating the sweeper in non-boost mode allows for additional runtime during less rigorous tasks and more precise control in moving debris in areas like mulch-based flower beds. These Power Command tools are compatible with all of your 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, delivering power and versatility without the hassles of gas-operated tools. Easy Feed, Power Cut, Power Boost, Power Command. Command and conquer your yard.
To replace the trimmer lines, begin by unplugging the power supply. Holding the string head steady, turn the green spool retainer clockwise to unscrew it. Remove the spool from the string head, making sure the spring on the spool remains attached. Cut 2 pieces of string, both 9 feet long, and insert the first string into the anchor hole in the upper part of the spool. Wind the first string around the upper part of the spool counterclockwise, as shown by the arrows on the spool. Next, install the second string by inserting it into the lower anchor hole and winding it counterclockwise like the first string. Thread the strings through the holes in the string head and carefully push the spool down into the string head, making sure each line extends 6 inches beyond each slot. Next, slightly rotate the spool so that the grooves on the inside of the trimmer head catch the spool from popping back out. Reconnect the green spool retainer by turning it counterclockwise until it's locked. Finally, grasping both strings, firmly pull on each one simultaneously to release the spool from the slots in the power head. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.
Wield the yard-taming power of the Husqvarna 100 series. Lightweight but powerful string trimmers. Available in your choice of an ergonomically curved shaft or a straight shaft for better reach. Husqvarna 100 series trimmers feature powerful engines, equipped with a Smart Start recoil system, an automatic stop-return switch for trouble-free starting, and intuitive controls to groom any yard with greater power and control. So give your trimmer the power to make tough jobs easy with the 100 Series trimmers from Husqvarna.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.